All right, class, here we go. We are ready to look at our very last lesson of the entire course. We are into day 3 of Unit 5, and it is Monday, the 22nd, and we're going to be looking at the media and interest groups, two things that play a very, very powerful and important role in our political process. Okay? So we've got 3 readings to look at out of our online textbook: Public Opinion, the Media, the Internet and Politics. Okay? We're going to look at a video by or about public opinion. Okay? And then we're going to look at a poll, and it's about our political identity. All right? Then we can take a little break, and we're going to look at social media, the social media and its influence on politics. We've got a discussion to participate in today. It's called The Role of Media. And then we've got the Lesson 3 quiz. So that's all we got for today. And we've got this thing coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow, Tuesday, June the 23rd, we've got the final exam for your summer school government course. Okay? So make sure you get that downloaded. Take a look at it. Start prepping for your final exam. I'll see you later.